let me feel a chill. The lights them flicker, dance on walls, my skin I feel the thrill. Buttons them me press, but stop on floor me never pick. Hard to erase the shadows, call me name, my bones them sick. Riding up, 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 the lights them dim and gone. Voices whisper secrets, dread me feel so drawn. Up, 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 the ride can't turn around. Heights unknown, the spirit floating off the ground. Ghostly figures pass me by, the mirror them reflect. The air so heavy, tough to breathe, my mind full of regret. Gas the air, the pressurize my vision start to blur. Past and future upon the walls, me start to reconsider. Riding up, 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 the lights them dim and gone. Voices whisper secrets, dread me feel so drawn. Creeping closer now, me sweat up pour like rain. Every floor a mystery, me can't handle the strain. The higher me ascend, the more my heart to tremble strong. The ride can't end soon enough, me dread the journey long. Spiral truths reveal me soul a lie bare. The future looking grim, my thoughts them drift to despair. Ghostly hands they reach for me, the time is stretched thin. Elevator creep, the night me start to watch my sins. Riding up, 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 the lights them dim and gone. Voices whisper secrets, dread me feel so drawn. Sweat up, pour like rain. Sweat up, pour like rain. Sweat up, pour like rain. Every floor a mystery. I can't handle the strain. I can't handle the strain. I can't handle the strain. The higher me ascend, the more my heart to tremble strong. The ride can't end soon enough to dread the journey long. Endless spiral truths reveal my soul a lie bare. The future looking grim, my thoughts them drift to despair. Ghostly hands they reach for me, the time is stretched thin. Elevator creep, the night, they start to watch my sins.